everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In today's video, let me teach you on how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. Let's start this tutorial by opening the Instagram app on your device and log into your account. In the main screen of Instagram, tap the plus sign icon below. Next, select post on the options below. Now tap the select multiple icon or this box icon right here. Now, simply select all the photos you want to post. You can add up to 20 photos that you want. Take your time selecting the photos, and once done, tap the next button at the top right. In here, you can now add elements on your post by adding some music, text, filters just to level it up. You can also adjust manually the settings on the photos, such as the brightness, contrast, and other things here. Once you're satisfied with it, then tap the next button. Now you can write a caption or add a poll if you want. For now, let's just write a simple caption. Next, you can choose to tag people, adjust the audience of your post, add locations, and adjust the settings of your post according to your liking. Once done with it, then tap the share button below, and now your post with more than 10 photos will be posted on Instagram. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.